balik tayo kay Harry Roque. Isa ba sa mga sinisilip dito yung SALN niya? Kasi may mga nakausap tayong mga eksperto, pwede pa rin daw papanagutin, miski wala na siya sa gobyerno, pwedeng silipin yung SALN niya nung pumasok siya at nung lumabas siya sa gobyerno. What do you think?
Yes, sir. Yan po ay napagkasunduan na po namin. We will look into his SALN during the period in question.
Okay. So, ang maglilid nito is the AMLAC, tama po ba?
Yes, sir. AMLAC and eventually the Ombudsman also will have to take a look at this. These are crimes that were committed during the time that he was in public office, assuming there is any crime that was committed, and also the DOJ. So, ang approach kasi namin, although may interagency group kami, kapag itong isang batas nito under the purview of Office of the Ombudsman, Ombudsman ang bahala dyan, special prosecutor or whatever. Kung ito naman ay under sa, let us say, sa DOJ, yung special prosecutors naman natin sa DOJ ang handle nito, and so on and so forth. So, again, the approach ng gobyerno ngayon is, sabi nga nung meeting namin nung last Friday, ang sabi ni ES is file all charges that you could file against people involved in all of these crimes. Hindi lang sa foreign nationals, including Filipino nationals who have enabled. They may be incumbent officials or they may have been former officials. Kasi yung, remember Christian, na lagi natin pinag-usapan pag nasa programa mo ako, we have to make sure that we're able to put people to jail. Not just the foreign nationals, but those Filipinos who have enabled this crime. Kasi hindi natatakot eh. Di ba? Hindi natatakot kasi nakakahulagpos. So, this time around, we will make sure na may mananagot dito, hindi lang yung foreign nationals. At Christian, usapan nga namin lagi is, tutuldukan namin ang problema ito hanggang talagang we're able to cut this problem by the very roots, uproot the roots. Kasi baka mamaya pag nagpalit tong administrasyon, makahanap itong ng reincarnation. No? So, we have to make sure that we're able to do our job and do it well para hindi na sila makabalik, Christian.
May suggestion ako dyan eh. Dapat yung susunod na Pangulo, yung susunod na Pangulo, hindi dapat pabalikin at pamihasahin yung mga pogo. Ang laking bagay talaga ng presidente. Alam niya yan, di ba?
So, kaya kami sa PAOK, we will also provide mga legislative proposals based from our operational experience, kung papaano natin masisip, kasi mahirap yung mga nomenclature na yan, baka mamaya malusutan tayo dyan, malusutan tayo sa maraming mga, these criminal syndicates, they have all the money in the world, and they can easily find ingenious ways and means to be able to co-opt some of our people. Kaya, we'll do our job better this time, Christian, with the help of the people and with the help of media. So, bantayan nyo lang yung trabaho din namin, kayong mga nasa media. Bantayan nyo kami, nang sa gayon hindi kami panghinaan ng loob, kasi tao lang din kami, minsan napapagod. Pangalawa, bantayan nyo kami na hindi kami mag-overboard. Yeah. At ang most importantly, bantayan nyo kami na hindi kami makurap ng sistema. Tama. Yun ang importante dyan. Call us out. Walang problema yon. Call us out. We're open to the media calling us out. Tao lang din kami.
Buti kayo nagbabanggit niya, no? You're presenting yourself, you're exposing yourself to the public para publiko mismo, including media, yung bumusisi, no? Tama yan, no? Kasi madaling makorap kung kumbaga, temptation is so immense pag nandiyan sa level ng investigation na ginagawa nyo, no? Ayan.